we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Binecer Foldable Kiddie Pool with Canopy. Consists of the following features. Instant pop-up and foldable design. No inflation needed. Our kiddie pool sets up in seconds. Simply unfold and fill with water for instant fun. When playtime is over, it can be collapsed into a compact size, smaller than a pizza box, perfect for easy storage and taking on trips to the beach or campsite. Protective canopy and net. The detachable canopy on our kids' pool features a special anti-UV coating, providing excellent shade and blocking over 98% of harmful UVA, UVB rays. The removable net can effectively prevent your child from being disturbed and keep the area well ventilated. Extra thick and durable board. Built to last through endless summer fun. Crafted from high-grade, thickened PVC composite board and wear-resistant material, this swimming pool resists scratches and punctures. The robust, leak-proof construction ensures it won't collapse, providing a stable and secure play area for your child. Certified safe and non-toxic. Your child's safety is our priority. This baby pool is made from eco-friendly, BPA-free materials. You can have peace of mind knowing your child is playing in a completely safe environment. Spacious space. Measuring 47 inches wide and 12 inches deep, this backyard pool is large enough for 2 children to play together comfortably. It's the perfect size for a backyard water park, a ball pit on rainy days, or a playpen during outdoor adventures. Multiple scenarios. This versatile toddler pool can be used as a summer splash pool, a beach tent, an indoor ball pit, or a cozy nap space for your child. Truly an all-in-one pool for endless fun. Get one for your little one now. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.